Money everywhere, yo. Money everywhere, yo. Money, 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 yo. Money everywhere, yo. Money everywhere. I give you money. You give me money. Money up and down. Money in the money. Money, 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 money. I think I should be a musician. Jesus. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and for liking this video already. Thank you so much. I'm excited. You guys are liking my content, so I am motivated to make more content for you guys. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to be in Nigeria or in India or in Germany or in the UK or in the US, wherever you are in any part of the world that you are. How to be in your country and work overseas. So that's our focus in today's video. You guys have asked me to make a video of how to be in Nigeria but work overseas. So people want to be in Nigeria but earn big, So in today's video, I will show you the different ways, strategies, methods, equation, formula, the different money metrics. So we're looking at how you can earn like people in overseas. The average salary in the UK is £2,000. It's similar to what's in the US and most other developed countries. So we want to see how you can even earn double of that but living in Nigeria. Are you not excited to learn how you can earn $5,000 every single month but you are still in Nigeria? Your work is overseas but you are living in Nigeria. A good number of young guys and young ladies want to travel out of the country. We feel that once we travel, once we japa, is the way to make it. Hey, I'm in overseas, I'm in London. Traveling overseas is not really the ideal way to make it now. The best way to make it is actually earn what people in overseas are earning, but you live in Nigeria. Because then you have a lot of money to spend, to buy houses, that's when you can be rich. People overseas are just average. So in today's video, that's my focus. How you can become rich by just working from home. You can work with Google, you can work with Microsoft, with Apple, with Facebook, PayPal, all these big companies as a customer service, as a software developer, as a media specialist, as A, as B, as C, as D, as KPQ, as MPM. As whatever you like or whatever specialization that interests you. You can do all those jobs that are overseas, but you'll be working remotely in Nigeria or in Ghana or anywhere that you are in any part of the world. So that's our focus in this video. There are two ways to get overseas job. The first way is go to the company that you are interested in. So if you have a company in mind, you want to work for Google, Microsoft, Facebook, you can go to the website and apply for remote jobs there. But some of them, they don't offer a remote job because of tax issues. But the better way or the easier way is to go on some website I will show you in a moment that offer overseas job, which means they pay overseas salary, but you can do those jobs remotely. That's how you actually become rich. So the first, which is the best, is called Flex Job. Let's jump to the website and let me take you through it. We are now on Flex Job and you can see it. Find a better way to work. So this is the best website to find remote jobs in the world. So you sign up here, which I've already done. So you see, there are pricing sometimes that is there, which you might be asked to pay 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. So they'll be sending the job to you, to your email, the job that are available on what you need. And I will only tell you to pay for these things if you really want the job. And it can be as cheap as $1.15 per week. It can really be as cheap as this if you go for a 1-year plan. I think you should pay if you are really interested in getting a flexible job overseas but live in Nigeria. Otherwise, there are other free ones I will show you and you can go for them. But this one is the best one so far. And there are several jobs that's available. They have a remote job, hybrid job, and flexible job. For remote, it means you work from home. Hybrid, it means sometimes you may have to go to the office, and sometimes it's as flexible as the word flexible is. And you can see there are different kind of job categories that's available for you. Account management jobs, environmental and green, non-profit and philanthropy, telemarketing, sport and fitness, insurance, call center, editing jobs, math and economics job, youth and children jobs, news and journalism, entertainment and media. They are all kinds of jobs that's available here. And the good thing is that all these jobs are remote or hybrid or flexible. So they offer flexibility. You can be in Nigeria and be working for countries in the US and in the UK, and they will pay you what they pay people here, which is like £3,000, £4,000, £5,000 per month. If you convert that to Naira, hell, you don't blow. The one that I love so much is software development. It's very popular, so let's go there. You see, software development, you can filter your search. If you want to be an employee of a company, your schedule that aligns with you, the career level that you want, you know, and other things that are here. Then you can go through each of them to see the job that excites you. Most of the jobs on this website are actually in the US, but you can search based on jobs by location, and you click on international. Anywhere jobs can be done from anywhere in the world. So you are clicking on this jobs that can be done from anywhere in the world. Anywhere jobs, remote, work from home, part-time and flexible job. That's our focus. Job you can do anywhere in the world. And they pay you where? They pay you in dollars, they pay you in pounds. And if you convert that to Naira, see money, brother, see money, sister, see money, auntie, see money, uncle, see money, 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 brother, see money, sister, see money, everyone see money, see money, see money. So yeah, that's how you live in Nigeria at a low expense rate, but you work overseas and you are paid in dollars and in pounds. You don't have to travel overseas to do this job. You are seeing it as I'm scrolling through it. You are seeing the different kind of job that exist that you can start doing and start working today. You can apply for them today and start working today. It's as simple as that. So they also have articles on how to get a job, how to do interview, blah 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 blah. Take your time and go through it. You don't have to pay for it. Test it out to see if it really aligns with you before you pay for their subscription. So, but I'm a fan of not paying until you've gone through it and you are sure that it matches what you want. So if you don't like this one, flex job, the next one we have is remote jobs. You see, justremote.co. You know, there are all kinds of remote jobs that are available that you can do anywhere in the world. All these jobs are available. So it's similar to what I've shown you earlier. To avoid repetition, you can click on any job that interests you here, and you can live in Lagos, live in Ghana, live in Sierra Leone, live in any part of Africa, and still be doing the job that I oversee, and they will be paying you in dollars. Remember, that's our focus, to earn in dollars and convert it to our local currency. The way you'll be rich. The way you will just be rich. You'll be rich anyhow. The next website I'm showing you is called Solid Gigs. Get freelance leads on autopilot. So this one is like a freelance job, but it's like an improved freelancing job. You're a software developer, you are a graphic designer, you are a musician, you are a voice narrator, whatever you have to offer as your skill. But you want to be getting contract jobs instead of getting all of these one by one freelance job. You want to be locked with a contract for 3 months, for 6 months. So you are sure that in the next 6 months, you are booked out. Hey, instead of every day, you are looking for which job is available for me today, which job is available for me for tomorrow. No, you want to be booked out for 3 months, for 6 months, so that you know you are guaranteed of your salary or of your money for the next 3 months or 6 months. So you come here, Solid Gigs, and expert gig hunters match you with the top 1% of freelance jobs from dozens of premium sources. And this is how it works. Take your time and go through it. Like this guy now, Robert Allen, I am completely booked out for the next 6 to 12 months. A lot thanks to Solid Gigs. So if you want to be locked with a contract for like 6 to 12 months, you know, you don't want to have the problem of the average freelancer. Every day you're looking for a new client. No, this website is very good for you. And finally for today, we work remotely. As the name implies, is the largest remote work community in the world with over 3 million visitors. We work remotely is the #1 destination to find and list incredible remote jobs. So people that are posting are the one paying for this can come here and apply for this job and start working remotely, and you will just enjoy your life. Remote jobs. remote jobs, especially if you are doing like a remote job in the US, in the UK, but you live in Nigeria. That cost difference, you will just be a millionaire this year. Not next year, this year, you'll be a millionaire. So guys, what's important is get your skill and come to this website to apply. I will share this link in the description of this video. So guys, thank you for listening and watching this video. It's quick and short, but what's important is you smash the like button, you smash the subscribe button. Otherwise, I will sing for you. You will hear me sing. Just subscribe, guys. Just subscribe, girl, subscribe, boy, subscribe, everyone subscribe. Mommy, daddy, subscribe. Subscribe now. Subscribe tomorrow. No, subscribe today. Yeah. Don't let me start showing my rapping skills. Subscribe, and like the video. Thank you.